So you're ready to get started and you want to make appearances on local news stations and talk shows and weigh in on stories of the day with your expertise. I recommend following the news that's currently happening and finding new interesting spins on the events that you can offer. You can submit these on your own, but make sure you follow protocol, like go to ereleases.com and figure out how to put it in a way so it looks like a proper press release. Journalists are used to seeing things in a certain way, and it's really important that you pitch the stories in a way that they're used to seeing them. If you get called on to be an expert for a talk show or a news station and you're not quite right for the job or whatever the story is, be a resource. Tell them, I'm not exactly the person you need, but I can find somebody from my community and I will recommend them and get them over to you. Also, a really, really good way to create a good relationship so that you can be called on the next time.